Do you work with large Excel sheets and feel lost while scrolling? Do you want to hide details and only show summaries? In today's video, I'll show you how to group and ungroup cells in Excel so you can organize data like a pro. What is grouping in Excel? Grouping in Excel allows you to hide or show rows or columns together. It helps you collapse detailed data and only show summary information. Why use grouping? You should use grouping when you have large data, you want to hide details, you want cleaner reports, you are preparing business summaries. It makes your Excel sheet look professional and organized. How to group rows? Select the row you want to group, go to the Data tab, click on Group, choose Rows. You will now see a minus sign on the left side. Click it and the rows collapse. Click the plus sign and the rows expand again. How to group columns? The same process works for columns. Select the column, Data tab, click Group, choose Columns. Now you can hide and show entire columns easily. How to ungroup? To remove grouping, select the group rows or columns, go to Data tab and click Ungroup, and your grouping disappears. This is useful when you no longer need the collapsed view. What are the common mistakes to avoid? Selecting only one row instead of multiple rows, forgetting to select the entire data, confusing grouping with merging. Grouping hides data temporarily, merging combines cells permanently. They're not the same thing. You can also use the shortcut key. For grouping, select the rows or the columns to group, press Alt, Shift, and right arrow. And to ungroup, press Alt, Shift, and left arrow. This saves time. And that's how you group and ungroup cells in Excel. This is simple, powerful, and perfect for reports. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials. Thank you.